Number 1. X plus 2 squared times x plus 4 over x plus 2 times x plus 4. Kung natatandaan nyo yung law of exponents na x raised to a over x raised to b equals x raised to a minus b. Yan, ito yung gagamitin natin para masolve natin yung division of algebraic expressions. Okay, solve na natin. X plus 2 squared over x plus 2. Ade, mangyayari niyan, 2 minus 1 equals 1. Kaya matitira na lang is x plus 2. Then, cancel na to. Then, dito, x plus 4 over x plus 4. Magiging 1 minus 1 equals 0. Kaya ito magiging equivalent na nito is any number raised to 0, diba, equals to 1. Kaya x plus 2 times 1 equals x plus 2. Kaya magiging sagot na dito ay x plus 2. Number 2. Katulad lang yung ginawa natin sa number 1, pamamanusin lang ulit natin yung exponent. Equals x plus 1 raised to 3 times x minus 2 raised to 2 over x plus 1 raised to 4 times x minus 2. Gagawin natin is, dahil mas mataas yung exponent dito sa baba, yung x plus 1 lalagay natin dito sa denominator, x plus 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1, kaya x plus 1 raised to 1, hindi natin kailangan isulat yung 1. Okay na yan. Then, x minus 2, magiging itong 2 minus 1 equals 1, kaya x minus 2 dito siya mapupunta. Yan, magiging sagot natin dito is x minus 2 over x plus 1. Yan, ito na yung sagot. Ganun lang siya kadali. Number 3. 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x over 2x squared plus 2x. Pag naman ganito yung problem, ang gagawin natin ay kunin natin yung common sa kanila. Dito, dito, tsaka dito. Ang common is x. Then, ano pang common? Itong 4 divisible by 2. Itong 2 common sa kanila is 2x. Yan, ganito lang gagawin natin. Then, 4x cubed divided by 2x. Sulat natin dito. 4x cubed divided by 2x. 4 divide 2, 2. Then, 3 to, diba? X raised to 3 over x. 3 minus 1 equals 2, kaya nag-sagot dito is 2x squared. Then, 2x squared, dito mo siya lalagay. 2x squared plus, ito naman, 2x squared divided by 2x equals x plus 2x divided by 2x equals 1. Then, dito naman ang common ulit sa kanila is 2x. Then, 2x squared divided by 2x equals x plus 2x divided by 2x equals 1. Okay, magiging sagot dito is cancel itong 2x. Magiging sagot dito ay 2x squared plus x plus 1 over x plus 1. Number 4. Okay, ang gagawin naman natin dito is katulad ng ginawa natin sa number 3. Hanapin natin yung common dito sa 2x squared at saka 4x. Itong 4 divisible by 2. Kaya, ilabas natin yung 2 din. Itong dalawa, para sila may variable na x. Ang kukunin nating variable is may pinakamababang exponent which is 2x lang. Hindi pwede yung x squared. Okay, then 2x squared divided by 2x. So, ulit natin. 2x squared divided by 2x equals 2 divide 2, 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Kaya x na lang. Kahit hindi mo na isulat yung exponent na 1, understood na 1 na yun. Kaya ang sagot dito is x plus, yung x, 4x divided by 2x equals 2. Then, x plus 2. X plus 2 divided by x plus 2 equals 1. 1 yun na. Hindi siya 0. Kinansel ko lang para understood siya. 1 equals 2 x. Yan, ito na yung sagot. Number 5. 10x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x over 6x squared plus 2x. Katulad lang ng ginawa natin sa number 3 and 4. Kunin lang natin yung common factor. Okay, dito sa numerator, ang common sa kanila is lahat sila is may x, may variable x. Pero ang kukunin mong variable is x is yung may pinakamababang exponent, which is itong x. Ang exponent is 1. Kaya ilalabas mo siya. Then dito naman, itong 10, 4, and 2, lahat sila is divisible by 2. Kaya ilalabas mo din siya. Then, ang mangyayari na is 10x cubed divided by 2x. Solve natin dito sa tabi. 10x cubed divided by 2x equals 10 divided 2, 5. Then, x raised to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equals 5x. 3 minus 1 squared, or 2. So, 10x cubed divided by 2x equals 5x squared plus 4x squared divided by 2x equals 4 divided 2, 2. Then x raised to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals 2x. Yan, sulat naman natin dito. Then plus 2x divided by 2x equals 1. 1 lagi ha kapag parehas mo. 2x divided by 2x equals 1, or x divided by x equals 1. Yan, basta ganyan lagi. Then, dito naman sa denominator, ang common sa kanila is x. Parehas din sila. Pero may pinakamababang exponent yung kunin natin, which is x. Then, 6 and 2 divisible siya by 2. 2x and 6x squared divided by 2x equals, solve ko dito sa baba, 6x squared divided by 2x equals 6 divided 2, 3. X raised to 2 minus 1. Itong exponent na 2 minus 1 equals 3x. 3x plus 2x divided by 2x equals 1. Yan, din ito 2x divided by 2x. Cancel mo na yan. Equivalent na siya sa 1. Then, ang magiging sagot dito is 5x squared plus 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 1. Yan, ito na yung sagot. Yan, ganun lang yung division of algebraic expressions. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to.